Hello Internet, welcome to Doing It channel. JavaScript lesson 17 is going to be about Selector API. The Selector API allows us to select elements using CSS selectors. So any selector that you write in CSS to select an element, to put a style to it, you can use it in within the querySelector and querySelectorAll functions. So let's do an example of querySelector. Of course, querySelector only returns one node if it finds a matching element for that selector, and if it doesn't find anything, it returns null. The querySelectorAll function returns a node list that matches the selector. Okay, let's go to our HTML page, and you can see that we have a div that with the class of header, and also a span with the class of header. So let's do selector. Let's select this header element, querySelector, and you pass in header. Now, since this is the querySelector, it will only return the first occurrence, so it will return this, only this. So let's console log the header variable and confirm, refresh, and we get the header class with the div that has the class of header. If we used querySelectorAll, we will get both of the elements, so div header and the span header. If you only want to use the div that has the class of header, we can simply do div and header. This is the same thing we use in CSS as well. If we wanted to have a style for the div that has the class of header, then this is what we will do in CSS. The same thing goes here. You can do that, and this will only return the div that has the class of header. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Of course, this does not work in IE 7 and below, but nothing does, so it doesn't matter. But this Selector API has been recommended from 2013 February. So I will have these three links in the description so that you can go through them if you want. I think it's better to go through the querySelector and querySelectorAll functions provided by the Mozilla Foundation. That covers this lesson. Hope you enjoyed. Do subscribe, do share, and hit the like button. And take care. Have fun.